Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your speaker Sony to the application. You have to start by open settings, then go to Bluetooth or connected devices if you have Android. Also, if you have Android, click pair new device and after that press one time at the power button to turn on your speaker and then press and hold to enter pairing mode.
Bluetooth pairing.
Now click on it at the device list and hide the settings. Now open the application and as you can see it automatically connecting after that. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.